Number 1. Latex condoms. Latex condoms hit the least expensive mark and are widely available. They are made from natural rubber. Latex condoms can effectively prevent sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancy when used correctly. People who are allergic to rubber can use latex condoms as they can use itchiness and rashes. Latex condoms may also become slippery and slide off if used with oil-based lubricants, Vaselines or baby oil. So use water-based lubricants instead. Number 2. Thin and ultra-thin condoms. These condoms are made with thinner latex and allow more sensation during intercourse. They are unlikely to break and are effective for preventing unwanted pregnancies and STIs. Thin and ultra-thin condoms are available with or without lubrication and come in various sizes and shapes, such as flared and straight valid. However, the thick of a condom is a personal preference, but some men choose thicker condoms so that intercourse lasts longer. Number 3. The world's most expensive condom. The world's most expensive condom is made of sheep intestine and it costs 44,000 rupees. A 200-year-old condom has been found to be the world's most expensive, sold at a whopping 460 euros or about 44,000 Indian rupees. Number 4. Polyisoprene condom. A polyisoprene is an FDA-approved form of synthetic rubber. It doesn't contain the protein that trigger an allergic response in latex. Condoms made from this material are soft. They are unlikely to break or tear and are stretchy as latex condoms. They can effectively protect you against STIs and unwanted pregnancies. Polyisoprene condoms are relatively thicker, which is why some people may not feel comfortable using them. Number 5. Spermicidal condoms. Condoms with spermicide are coated with a chemical substance that can kill sperms. The intention here is to provide additional protection against unwanted pregnancy. This substance can act as a lubricant, but can also irritate the vulva or the vaginal lining. The irritation can cause micro tears in the tissue and increase the risk of contracting HIV or other STIs. Number 6. Lambskin condoms. Lambskin condoms are made with a thin membrane from a lamb's intestine. They are now approved by FDA for preventing unwanted pregnancies and are considered as effective as latex condoms. But these are also the earliest condoms that were being used during the Roman Empire. As reviewed by some people, lambskin condoms transmitted more body warmth and make you feel more sensation. They can be used with oil-based lubricants. The problem is that lambskin is porous and can let the germs in, so it isn't recommended for protection against STIs. They are not as stretchy as latex and are certainly more expensive. Number 7. Polyurethane condoms. Polyurethane condoms are thinner than latex, have no odor and conduct heat better. They are not as stretchy as latex and they are made of flexible plastic. Polyurethane condoms are more likely to slip and break as they fit loosely. Using them with water-based lubricant can help reduce friction and changes of breakage. Number 8. Specialty condoms. These are the fun condoms that make you feel things differently. There are many types of specialty condoms, such as warming, glow-in-the-dark, flavored, colored, pleasure-shaped, edible, French tickle, the kiss of mind and more. Not at all specialty condoms are designed to prevent STIs and pregnancy. So before you make the purchase, check the package to make sure condoms are FDA approved and go through the information written about STI and HIV protection. If it doesn't match your needs, choose another type of condom. If you like this video, please share, like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.